How to delete your YouTube account on Android and iOS. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the YouTube application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. As you're logged into your account, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen and select on Google account at the top. As you select on the Google account option, it will lead us to a new page where you'll be able to see different options. So what you need to simply do is you can simply scroll down and tap on data and privacy. As you do that, you can scroll down again and see different options over here. So what we need to do is tap on the option of content saved from Google services. Tap on it, and as we tap on it, we'll be able to see the options of different Google services that we use. So what we need to do is tap on delete a service. Select on delete a service option. As we tap on delete a service, we'll just land onto a new page where you can simply select which service we would want to delete. Now in this case, we will be selecting on the option of YouTube. So let's just tap on confirm and verify ourselves. And as we do that, we'll be landing on a new page yet again. Here you can simply tap on the delete option beside YouTube, and that's how you can delete a YouTube account on Android. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.